Welcome you guys, welcome to Kiran Swati new tutorials. In last lecture we have discussed about a special type of inflorescences, so verticell aster and a cyathium. Now in this class we will discuss about another special type of inflorescence, so that is a hypanthodium. So hypanthodium, this type of inflorescence, so it is mainly found in a ficus species. Fig as well as banyan tree. So these are the examples related to the hypanthodium inflorescence. So what about hypanthodium inflorescence? So see, in hypanthodium inflorescence, it is a branch so in branch, so it is about a peduncle. Peduncle means the start of the inflorescence. It is what a peduncle. So here the upper part of the peduncle, it is modified into a narrow cup-like structure, right? So here is peduncle. So upper part of this peduncle, it is modified into what a narrow cup-like structure. Here it is leaving a pore-like structure, right? So this pore-like structure we call as, it is a ostiole, right? So what is the use of this ostiole? So it is the way to contact with all those insects. When the insects, it is coming inside this inflorescence with the help of this ostiole only, right? So in this inflorescence, so in basal position, at the base, here it is having a female flowers, right? So these are female flowers, and towards the opening side, so here it is having a male flowers, right? So these are female flowers and these are male flowers. So between the male flowers and female flowers, certain sterile flowers are also present. So those are sterile female flowers, it is present. So at the base, here it is having female flowers. At the top, here it is having a male flower. Between those, so these are flowers what we call as, those are sterile female flowers. So those are also called as gall flowers. Those are also called as what? Gall flowers. So it is about a hypanthodium inflorescence. So here the hypanthodium inflorescence, it will shows a symbiotic relationship with the blastophaga insect. So what is a symbiotic relationship? Helpful for each other, right? So see, when the insect blastophaga, when it is coming to contact with these flowers through this ostiole, so here it is having, here the insect, it is benefiting. So here the insect, it is benefited. So how it is benefited? So here it is having a place for to lay eggs, right? So inside this female flowers, it is having some place to lay the eggs. So insect, it is benefited. How it is benefited? It is having some place inside, the protective place inside this inflorescence. So along with that, so how this inflorescence, it is benefited? So here the inflorescence, it is benefited cross pollination. So inflorescence, it is getting a cross pollination and here the insect it is getting a place for to lay the eggs. So both are benefited. So the type of relationship what we call as a symbiotic relationship. So in Hypanthodium inflorescence, so generally the ovary it is converted into fruit, ovules into seeds in a general manner. But if you will take this entire Hypanthodium inflorescence, if it is converted into fruit, so that type of fruit we call as a cyconus fruit. The type of fruit what we call as that is a cyconus or cyconium of fruit. That entire inflorescence it is converted into this type of a fruit. So here the Cyathium as well as Hypanthodium both are similar. It is having a unisexual flowers, right? So where it is found? It is found in a ficus species or a fig as well as a banyan tree, right? So it is about a Hypanthodium inflorescence. So next we will discuss about a mixed inflorescence. What about this mixed type of inflorescence? So generally the peduncle it is having either racemose inflorescence or cymose inflorescence. But in this mixed inflorescence, the peduncle it is having both racemose and cymose type of inflorescences. So both are present in a single peduncle. So the type of inflorescence what we call as that is a mixed inflorescence. So example for this one it is a mixed spadix. That is a example for this one it is a banana, right? So it is about a mixed inflorescence. So I hope it is helpful for you guys. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.